Hello, I am Kalyani and welcome back to Healthy Veggies. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Today I am going to share two wholesome breakfast recipes. One is with Joe Kadalia and other is Paneer Paratha. Barley is low in calories and loaded with nutrients. Due to its high fiber content, it gives you fullness for a long time. So you must include it in your weight loss journey. Paneer or cottage cheese is a rich source of protein and vitamin B12, calcium, selenium and many other essential nutrients. Let's first start the barley recipe. First, heat a kadhai on low flame and dry roast half cup of peanuts. Peanuts are an excellent source of protein, fiber and good fats. Remove the peanuts and dry roast 1 cup of broken barley or jao ka dalia. Saute it on medium-low flame till a nice aroma comes out of it. After 3-4 minutes, the color has changed slightly. Switch off and let's chop some seasonal vegetables. Heat a kadhai and add 1 tablespoon of oil. When oil is heated, add 1 teaspoon of panchforan into it. Wait till they splutter. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of hing and 1 teaspoon of chopped green chilies. Saute them and then add 1 tablespoon crushed ginger. Saute again and then add half teaspoon of ajwain by lightly pressing with the palms. It will help to release its fragrance. Add 1 medium-sized chopped onion and saute till it becomes translucent. Onions have changed their color. Now add chopped beetroot, carrot and pointed gourd. You can take any seasonal vegetables according to your choice. Now saute the vegetables for few minutes. These vegetables will add the nutritional value of dalia and make it more colorful. Then add the roasted dalia into the kadhai and mix it with the vegetables. Saute for 2-3 minutes on medium-low flame and keep stirring at regular intervals. Now I am adding half chopped capsicum and mix it well. Then add 1 cup chopped tomatoes and saute all the ingredients together. I have added the tomatoes and capsicums later as I don't want them to be overcooked. I have also added half cup soaked soya chunks to increase the nutritional values further. At last add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder and salt and mix them together. Add 3 cups of hot water into the kadhai. Cover and cook for 8 to 10 minutes. Cook on medium flame and check in between. Add more water if needed. Give a stir. Cover and cook. Barley dalia is ready. Finally add the roasted peanuts and serve hot. This wholesome dish can be taken in breakfast, lunch or dinner, or packed in your child's tiffin box. Enjoy this vibrant and colorful khichdi. The cooling properties of barley makes it an ideal grain for summer. Let's go for the second recipe, paneer or cottage cheese paratha. For this recipe, take 2 cups of whole wheat flour in a mixing bowl and add half teaspoon of salt. Add water in batches and knead it to make a soft dough. Knead for 5 to 6 minutes and add a spoon of oil. Knead again for a minute and cover it with a wet towel. Let the dough rest for at least 30 minutes. In the meantime, grate 1 carrot, half beetroot and 200 grams of paneer. Add 3 tablespoons kasuri methi, salt, 1 teaspoon chili powder and 1 teaspoon chaat masala. You can add herbs and spices according to your choice. Mix all the ingredients together and make medium-sized balls out of it. Continue the process till all the balls are done. The filling is ready now. Uncover the dough and make medium-sized balls out of it. The dough should be soft and smooth. Continue the process till all the dough balls are done. Take a dough ball, dust it with some wheat flour and flatten it with your hands. Stuff the dough with the filling and bring together the edges by moving towards the center. Pinch and seal the edges. Press a little with your hands to make it smooth. Similarly, stuff all the dough balls and ensure that they are not overfilled. This process requires some practice. Alternatively, you can do it with the help of a rolling pin. Roll the dough ball to a 4 to 5 inch small circle. Put the stuffing at the center. Bring together dough pleats towards the center. Press the dough with your hands and make it smooth. Sprinkle some wheat flour and roll to a chapati size circle. Apply equal pressure while rolling the paratha to make it even. Similarly, roll all the dough balls. For paneer paratha, always use fresh homemade paneer and use the whey water to knead the dough. The result will be more soft and tasty. When parathas are rolled, heat a skillet or iron tawa. Place the rolled paratha on the heated tawa. Cook the side for a minute and flip over. Cook the other side. Press it with a spatula. Paratha has started rising up. Apply half teaspoon of oil or ghee and flip it. Cook the paratha until both the sides turn golden brown. When it is done, remove it to a plate and continue the process. All the parathas are ready. Enjoy them with your favorite pickle or chutney. You can also have them with plain curd. This is a filling meal. You can have them for breakfast, lunch or dinner. It tastes delicious. Thanks for watching. If you want more such recipes, please subscribe my channel.